So Highclere, tell me about them, because the finish on them is quite terrific. But the thing I noticed is that you said that you will build to the customer's thoughts. So if they said they wanted a different colour kitchen, a different colour floor, different colour outside, some features moved around, different options, or if they saw something on another van, you can replicate it. Is that right?
Yes.
You're that flexible?
Yeah, we are. We prefer to keep our vans fairly standard.
Yeah.
Simply because it means that it's a quicker production.
Oh, easier.
It's more efficient.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, for example, at the moment we're building a 26-foot custom van.
Now you only build conventionally from, is it 16 or 15 foot?
Yeah, 16 foot at the moment. We're developing a 15-foot caravan all the way through. In our standard range, we go up to 22 foot 6.
22 foot 6, and now you're doing a 26 footer.
And yeah, there was a specific customer that asked us if
See,
yeah,
that says so much, where you have somebody who's in the industry that you can talk to and say, this is what I want, this is what we want to have our van. And when you look at their standard floor plans, they're amazing. They're really, really nice, and the fixtures and features and the options that you can have are just terrific. But then if they want something different, you'll create it.
Yes, we do.
Wow.